Welcome to a Dave Sam vlog. It's the very first Dave Sam vlog, so if you're joining me, much appreciated. Please feel free to like, subscribe, help your boy out. Quickly want to introduce myself. My name is David. For those of you who don't know me, I go by Dave Sam pretty frequently, just given how many Davids there are in the world. The year I was born, actually, David was the most popular name in North America. I'm a Canadian, that's why I say North America. I plan on putting out one of these vlogs about every 2 weeks or so, and the idea is that I'll talk about bags, bag news, bag materials, education, potentially venturing out into other things that I'll get into in a little bit, part of my kind of 2021 goals, but trying to make sure that I expand my horizons a little bit as well. So why am I YouTubing instead of using something like Instagram or TikTok? The real reason is that I want to expand my creative skills more than anything else. I have never been what you might call a creative. I am attracted to videography. However, and that has drawn me to YouTube in particular. I also love bags and travel, and my wife told me that if I don't do something with all the bags in our house, that she's going to start throwing them away. So this was my way to start doing something and to continue to collect bags. The bag community on YouTube is a fairly niche community, but I do think I'm gonna find my way in somewhere. A lot of the folks are more the adventure travelers. I'm more of the bougie traveler. So even though I do like to backpack, you'll see I mostly feature things on the channel that I like to use in real life, everyday life, things that I think are pretty and things that I think are functional. Speaking of bags, we've got a new one that just came in, so let's unbox it. All right, so first impressions, this thing feels amazing. I honestly didn't expect this at all. That's why I say the word amazing. I remember watching the videos online. I still backed it on KickStarter, obviously, but I remember watching the videos online and thinking to myself, is this gonna be really well built or what? I wasn't quite sure, but feeling it now, feeling all these handles, the harness system, the actual material on the outside, and that spans or that extends to all the bags that came with this, or the whole system, if you will. It all feels really, really nice and rugged. I honestly cannot wait to pack this out and use it. Again, we got the all black everything as usual. That is pretty much the colorway that I typically stick with, and you'll probably see that for almost all of the bags that I have. This guy joins us from KickStarter, so again, I backed it on KickStarter. It did take a little while to come, but it honestly came as expected. It came in December, actually, and I was expecting it to come in January, so even a little bit ahead of schedule, I would say. These guys from Gravel are kind of awesome. This Gravel travel system, again, just feels really, really nice. I cannot wait to use this. I'm taking an upcoming trip to Florida, which I plan on using this bag entirely for. And there's a few different things that I plan on testing, which will definitely come through in the review, of course. The first thing is, in the big bag, will I be able to fit everything and get it in the overhead compartment, my water bottle, all that stuff? It seems like, especially for just a 4-day trip, I'll probably be able to get everything in this nice big 42 liter. The other thing that I want to test out, or the other two things that I want to test out, are in this 11 liter bag, as I'm carrying it kind of externally, if I can fit all of my tech gear inside. So I plan on putting this on the overhead, this under my feet, or in the little compartment in front of me. And I want to make sure I can get everything I need to in here. That's my 13-inch MacBook, any of the knickknacks with it, my tripod, my camera, and my microphone gear. I think all the other additional gear that I might have for my camera, I'm going to store in this guy, just to keep this down on weight and size. Now, last but not least, there's some of the extras. I want to be able to test this guy. And this little sling here, or what looks like a sling, actually detaches and becomes the hip belt too. So I want to test it as a hip belt. I want to test it when I'm on the plane, actually physically. You're supposed to be able to connect it directly on that food tray in front of you and start to use it. So I want to see how that works and if it's any good like that as a bag. All right, let me know what you guys think of that bag, that B-roll. Please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. Please let me know if you want me to test anything as I have it out for the few days that I'm traveling. I want to talk about goals for 2021 really quickly, but looking around and it's getting pretty dark here. I think it's time for a change of scenery. That's better. All right, let's talk goals for 2021. I'm already started, obviously. First goal is to post 50 YouTube videos this year. Give myself a couple weeks off, but ultimately, I want to keep posting and posting and posting and just getting better. Second goal for 2021 is to diversify my YouTube video portfolio. I'd really like to shoot things more than just bag reviews, so I'd like to expand maybe into things like bag commercials. And that's my puppy right there who wants to participate in the vlog. I'd also like to shoot things like men's clothing, shoes, specialty brands, or specialty items that you can't necessarily get everywhere. And she really wants to be in the vlog, so everybody meet Olive. She's still a little bit of a biter. Mwah. All right, thanks for checking out the first Dave Sam vlog. Much appreciated. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, do all those fun things so that my channel can grow. I am going to be vlogging, like I said, every other week or so. We'll see how that goes. It's going to contribute to my 50 videos, so I'm going to need it. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.